Hello YouTube, in this video I will be listing 4 things or 4 hacks about Nissan. This can also apply to any other brands. The first one is silencing the horn beep. When you lock your car with your key, it usually makes a beeping sound. To silence this beeping sound, click the unlock and lock buttons at the same time until you see the alarm lights. And when you do this and you lock your car, you will not be able to hear the beeping sound. This is if you want to go incognito and you don't want to call attention to yourself, or you don't want to make any noise. To go back to the original mode, you press both buttons at the same time until you hear the beeping sound. The second one is the emergency handle. This is located inside the trunk and it's used in case somebody gets trapped inside the trunk, a kid or somebody else. You pull on this handle and the trunk will open up. It is a fluorescent light and it absorbs daylight and it emits a light for a few minutes. And this is how it looks from inside the trunk. You pull this out and the trunk will open up. You only have a few minutes before it goes completely dark. The third one is the windshield wipers. On many cars it is not possible to access the windshield wipers because the hood is on the way. The solution to this: turn on the ignition switch but do not turn on the engine. Find the windshield wiper levers and pull them up 2 times until the windshield wipers are up. Now you can access the windshield wipers, replace them, clean them up, clean stuff like oil and salt and stuff from the road. Lift the windshield wiper lever once and they will return to their original position. The fourth one is the keyhole. This is one of the things nobody uses anymore, but it's still a good feature to have. For this, you turn the key to the right position and it unlocks the driver's side door. If you turn twice, it unlocks all 4 doors. To lock the car, you turn to the left and it locks the driver's side. If you turn twice, it locks 4 doors. Alright, this is everything for this video. I hope you find this helpful. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and thank you for watching.